Hello and welcome to the live session by Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. I am Misbah, your maths educator, and in this session we are going to do some more questions on lines and angles. In the previous sessions we were doing the various things in the chapter lines and angles, that is the properties in case of pairs of angles, in case of straight lines, and then in triangles, and if you have got a pair of straight lines and there is a transversal cutting across them. So we were doing these concepts and questions. In this session we are going to do some more questions on lines and angles. So are you guys ready? Are you able to hear and see me properly? Just confirm in the chat quickly so that we can start with this session. We are going to do some more questions on lines and angles. So let's start with it. So here is the first question for you. It is given in this figure that AB and CD are two straight lines intersecting at point O. OP is a ray. What is the measure of angle AOD? You have to find the measurement of this angle. AOD you have to find over here. Can you tell me the answer over here, guys? Hi Preetham, welcome to this session. Try doing this question and let me know the answer over here, Preetham. It's a simple question. You have to find the measurement of angle AOD over here. Can you tell that, Preetham? Okay, so it is given in this question that CD is a straight line. You see, CD is a straight line. So can I say some of these angles will be 180 degrees? Can I say that? Can I not say over here that 3x plus 7 plus x plus 5 plus 40, that is equal to 180 degrees? Can I say that over here, guys? If I just add up these three angles, 3x plus 7, x plus 5 and 40, we are going to get 180 degrees over here. So solve this equation, guys. What are you getting for x? So this will be 4x over here, and that is equal to 180 minus, it will give you 180 minus, this will be 52 over here. This is 180 minus 52. So what is that equal to? That will be 128, right? That is equal to 128. So the value of x will be 32 degrees. So x is equal to 32 degrees over here. Let's see that, Preetham. And we have to find AOD over here. So can we not say, guys, that AOD is nothing but equal to BOC? Can I say that if you see the figure? Because it is given that CD and AB, they are straight lines, right? So you can do like this. See, this is a long method of doing this question. But the simplest method, see, it is given already that AB is a straight line. I was explaining this. AB is a straight line over here, it's already given. So if this is 140, this AOD will be what, guys? It will be directly 140, correct? If this is 40, so it will be directly 140 over here. Is it clear to every student? It's a direct question. So we don't need to do these things. But suppose in this question, I'm just saying in this question, if it is being asked from you, I mean just a simple question, can you say what is POC? Suppose that can also be asked. What is POC over here? Yeah, that will be 140. It's a direct question, Preetham. Correct? So if suppose POC is being asked, so you can find, you have found the value of x already. POC over here is 3x plus 7, right? So it's a direct question. So 3x plus 7, you can just put the value and find it, right? I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Any doubt in that? So everything over here is just given to confuse you, right? It is just given to confuse you. If this is 40, you can directly say that this will be 140 because it is given that AB is a straight line, right? So they are forming basically a linear pair over here. Any doubt in this question, guys? Tell me. Just confirm that in the chat. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's do the next one. Can you tell me this question? Basic questions only we are taking up over here. So this is basically measurement of angle A. It means you have to find the value of angle A over here. Okay, Bimla. You have to find the value of angle A. Can you tell me what is the answer over here? It's a direct question again. What is the value of angle A over here, guys? Can you tell me? I think there is a mistake maybe. No, that is correct only. Sorry. That is correct. Okay, can you tell me what is the value of angle A over here? It's a direct question again. You can use the angle sum property, you can use the exterior angle property, it is all up to you. It's a direct question, right? So you see over here, this is 100. Now can I not say that this angle will be 80, guys? because they are forming a linear pair, correct? So this angle will be 80. Now we have studied the exterior angle property in the previous session, correct? So can I not say over here that angle A plus 80 over here using the exterior angle property, that is equal to 120 degrees. So it's a direct question. You can say that angle A will be equal to 40 degrees. Any doubt in the question, guys, to any student in this session? Tell me. Is this clear? So angle A over here is equal to 40 degrees. Exactly. Is this clear, guys? So you can also do it like this. Suppose you find this angle. So this will be 60 because they are forming a linear pair over here. So this will be 60. So you can say that 100 is equal to angle A plus 60. Same thing, exterior angle property. It can be used in two ways possible over here. I hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next one. Can you try doing this one? It's again a direct question, a property based question. It is given that 30 minus x is the supplement of 125 plus 2x degrees. Yes, that's what I'm saying, Preetham. Yes, I think you are saying that, na Preetham, that you can find this angle. This is 120, so this will be 60, Preetham. Yes or no? Because they are forming linear pair over here. So you can say over here 60 plus angle A, that will be 100. So same measurement you will get, Preetham. Yes or no, Preetham? Or you can also do it like this. You can find this to be 80, you can find this to be 60. Then you can use angle sum property in triangle ABC. It is the same thing. Three ways are possible, right? It's a direct question, Preetham. Yes. What about this question over here? Try doing this one and let me know the answer, guys. So these angles are given to be supplement of each other and you have to find the value of x. So they are supplement of each other. What does it mean? Two angles are supplementary angles. It means the sum of these angles is equal to 180 degrees. Supplement means this sum is 180 degrees. So I can say over here that x will be what, guys? This x will be equal to 180 minus 155. So what is that equal to? 25 degrees. So the value of x over here is coming out to be 25 degrees. Hello Ashik, I'm doing good. I hope you're doing good as well. Hello Gunu, welcome to this session. Is the question clear to every student in this session? Any doubt in that? It's a direct property based question. I mean, two angles are supplementary if the sum of them is 180 degrees. If two angles are complementary angles, the sum of them is 90 degrees. And if two angles are explementary angles, then the sum of them is 360 degrees. Explementary, or you call them conjugate. I had already discussed this thing. If you have got two angles which are explementary angles, or we call them conjugate angles as well. So two angles which are explementary, their sum is 360, or conjugate angles, it means the sum of them is 360 degrees. I hope this question is clear to every student in this session. Is this clear? Any doubt in this, guys? Just confirm that in the chat if possible. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Try doing this one. It's a very basic question. Exterior angle of a triangle is always dash than either of its interior opposite angles. What will come inside the fill in the blanks over there? What is the relation between an exterior angle and the interior opposite angles? What is the relation, guys? Tell me. Correct. So whenever you've got a triangle over here, we have studied the exterior angle property, guys. Yes or no? Suppose this is the exterior angle. So these are interior opposite angles, correct? We have studied the exterior angle property in the previous class. So you see x will be y plus z, correct? An exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. You got that? So if x is equal to y plus z, so can I not say that x is greater than y and x is also greater than z? Do you agree with this, Bimla? An exterior angle is greater than each of the two interior opposite angles. That will be greater than, Vinod. It will not be equal. It will be greater than. Is it clear? An exterior angle is every time greater than each of the two interior opposite angles. Understand the statement written over there. Is it clear to every student in this session? Any doubt in the question, guys? Tell me. Just confirm that exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. It is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles, but it will be greater than each of the two interior opposite angles. Obviously, you have to understand that from here only. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Can you try doing this one and let me know the answer over here? So it is given that BO and CO are external bisectors of angle B and angle C of triangle ABC intersecting at O. If angle A is this, ABC is this, then you have to find the angle BOC over here. Can you try doing this question and let me know the answer over here, guys? So I'm not doing the proof of these things because concepts we have already covered in the previous two sessions. If you haven't attended those sessions, please try to check out the playlist named as Pratham on the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel for grade 9 students. And for grade 10 students, please check out the playlist named as Pioneer on the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. So this is a class of a series. So obviously, it's not possible to complete the whole syllabus in one single class. Please try to understand that, okay? So basically you have got a triangle, any random triangle we are talking about. Let's make a triangle. Suppose it is ABC, it is given in the question itself. And we are talking about bisectors of external angles of angle B and C. So basically you are extending this and you are extending this, right? The bisector of this angle and the bisector of this angle, they are intersecting at point O. It is given in the question, external angle bisectors, okay? Of angle B and C of triangle ABC intersecting at O. And it is given that angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Angle A is equal to 60 degrees. ABC is equal to 70 degrees. This is given to be 70 degrees. Then you have to find the angle BOC over here. Angle BOC. So you see this property, this thing I have derived in the previous session. I did the complete derivation of this property. Please watch the recording of the previous session. It's very important. Hello, no one. Welcome to the session. So whenever you've got a triangle, then if you take the bisectors of the external angles of two angles, right? You see this is angle B, this is external angle B, right? This is angle C, this is external angle C. Then the angle formed between the bisectors of two external angles, what it will be, guys? Angle BOC will every time it will be 90 minus half angle A. This is the property which I have proved in the previous session as well. It will be 90 minus half angle A. So basically angle BOC will be 90 minus angle A over here is what? 60. So therefore 90 minus 60 by 2 is 30, guys. So 90 minus 30 is 60. So 60 degree is the answer. If in this question it is being asked to find the angle between internal angle bisectors. Suppose you are talking about the bisectors of the internal angle B and C. And suppose this is anything, you can take X. So X will be what? This time X will be equal to internal angle bisectors. So angle will be 90 plus half angle A. This is the property. 90 plus half angle A over here. So in that case, the angle will be 90 plus half angle A means 60 by 2. Angle A is 60. So in this case, it will be 120 degrees. I hope it is clear. I have proved these two things in the previous session. We did questions and have done the proof of this thing in the previous session as well. Any doubt in this thing? Gunu, Duke, Bimla, Vinod? No one? Any doubt in this thing? Just confirm that in the chat, guys. Okay, fine. So let's move on to the next question over here. Try doing this, guys. So it is given over here that P is to Q. P is to Q is 11 is to 19. If AB is parallel to CE, then you have to find the values of PQR. It's a direct question, guys. You can try doing it quickly. It's a direct question over here. Find the values of PQR. Can you let me know the answer, guys, over here? Okay, try doing this and let me know the answer, guys. So you see over here, this sign shows that this angle is 90 degrees, right? This sign shows that angle B over here is 90 degrees. It is also given that P is to Q is 11 is to 19. So can I take P in the form of some variable, suppose 11x, and Q I have to take to be equal to 19x, right? In the form of variables I'm talking about over here. I hope it is clear. Now if you see this triangle, can I use the angle sum property of triangles over here? So can I not say over here, guys, that 19x plus 11x, 19x plus 11x plus 90, that is equal to 180 degrees. The angle sum property of triangles we are using over here, correct? Let's see that at sun. So over here, can I not say that this will be 30, correct? Yeah, 30x, that is equal to 90 degrees over here. So from here, x will be equal to 3 degrees, right? So x is coming out to be equal to 3 degrees. So therefore, P will be what, guys? P is equal to 11x. So that is 11 into 3. So that is equal to 33 degrees. I hope this is clear. In the same manner, Q is what, guys? Q is 19x. That is 19 into 3. And that is equal to 57 degrees. I hope this is clear up till here. Now we have to find the value of angle R. See, it is already given that AB is parallel to CE. So can I not say that angle P plus 32 is equal to angle R? R is equal to P plus 32 or not, because they are alternate interior angles. You see, this is parallel to this. So therefore, this total angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angles. Now angle P we have got to be equal to 33 degrees and plus 32 over here. So angle R is coming out to be 65 degrees. So 65 is the answer. So angle R is 65 degrees, P is 33 degrees and Q is 57 degrees. Is the question clear to every student in this session? Any doubt in the question, guys? Just confirm that in the chat. Just confirm that, Bimla, Gunnu, no one, Edson. Any doubt in the question? It's a direct question on the basis of properties of parallel lines and transversal and the angle sum property of triangles. I hope it is clear. Q should be 32. No, Bimla, that will be wrong. You see, this is not parallel to this, Bimla. You see, this is not given parallel to this, Bimla, correct? So you cannot say that this angle is equal to this angle, because this is not parallel to this. So they are not alternate interior angles. I mean, they are alternate interior angles, but they will not be equal. You got that, Bimla? They will only be equal when this is parallel to this. I hope this is clear, Bimla. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Can you do this one? This is a proof-based question basically. If it is given over here that AED is basically, it is given that it is BDC plus BAE. BDC plus BAE. So we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. How can we do this, guys? Can you tell that? How can we do this, guys? The proof is pretty simple. Can you tell that? AED is given to be equal to BDC plus BAE. We have to prove that AB is parallel to CD over here. Can you tell that, guys? So basically you see over here, this thing is given, but one more thing, can I not say over here, if you see the figure properly, can I say that AED is nothing but, I can say it is ABD plus BAE. Can I say that? Exterior angle property. If you talk about this triangle, can I not say over here that AED is equal to ABD? This is ABD plus BAE. Exterior angle property. Can we say that? It is not a square, Bimla. It is not given in the question that it's a square. You don't have to go on the figure. Is it mentioned anywhere in the question that it's a square? If it is not mentioned in the question, you cannot take it as it is. Please understand that, okay? It is mathematics. So everything is on the basis of some logic. I hope this is clear, Bimla. It is not a square. It is not a rectangle. Or you don't know what type of quadrilateral it is. It is not given at all in the question. I hope this is clear. But I can say over here that AED is equal to this angle BAE plus ABD. Exterior angle property, that I can say. Now you see, this is already given. AED is given to be equal to This is given to be equal to BDC plus BAE. Isn't it given? Just read the question properly. It is already given over here. So can I cancel out BAE from both the sides of the equation? That we can do. That is correct. So from here, can I not say, guys, that ABD is equal to BDC? Can we say that? ABD is equal to BDC. So basically, we have proved successfully that ABD is equal to BDC. We have proved this to be equal to this. And these are alternate interior angles. You see, if I have proved that this angle is equal to this angle, it means we have proved that alternate interior angles are equal. So can we not say that AB is parallel to CD? I can say that AB is parallel to CD, as we have proved that alternate interior angles are equal. Is this clear to every student in this session? Confirm that in the chat. Hello PWN. Is it clear? Any doubt in the question, guys? It's a direct question on the basis of the exterior angle property and properties of parallelograms and parallel lines and transversals. I hope this is clear. Any doubt in this, guys? Just confirm that in the chat, please, so that we can move on to the next question. Okay, so let's move on, guys, to the next one. So this is a simple question. Show that if sum of two angles of a triangle is equal to the third angle, then the triangle is a right angled triangle. If in a triangle sum of two angles is equal to the third angle, then the triangle is a right angled triangle. That you have to prove. If in any triangle the sum of two angles is equal to the sum of the third angle, then that triangle is a right angled triangle. So just suppose that there is any triangle in which the three angles, they are given to be equal to x, y, z, correct? If it's any triangle in which the three angles, they are equal to x, y and z, it is given sum of the two angles of a triangle is equal to the third angle. It means, suppose it is given that sum of two angles x plus y is equal to the third angle, x plus y is equal to z. Now you have to prove that it's a right angled triangle. One more thing you know na, angle sum property of triangles. So can I not use x plus y plus z that is equal to 180 degrees? Angle sum property of triangles, you know that already. Now in place of x plus y, can I use z over here? In place of x plus y, I can put z. So z plus z is equal to 180 degrees or not, guys? So if you solve this equation, what will you get? You'll get z is equal to 90 degrees. So have I proved that if in a triangle, sum of two angles is equal to the third angle, then that triangle is a right angled triangle. Is it clear? If you have proved that if it is given that sum of two angles of a triangle is equal to the third angle, then that triangle is a right angled triangle. We have proved it over here. I hope it is clear. If in a triangle, if you prove any angle to be equal to 90 degrees, then that triangle is a right angled triangle. Is this clear? Any doubt in that? Gunu, is it not clear to you? See, it is given that sum of two angles is equal to the third angle. Now you can also take that sum of all the angles is 180. That is the angle sum property. Now in place of x plus y, can I write z? Because that was given, Gunu. So can I not say that z plus z is 180? So I can say 2z is 180. So I can say z is equal to 90. Okay, so if you have proved that any angle of a triangle is equal to 90 degrees, then that triangle is a right angle triangle. That's it. That is the proof of it. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. So that's all we needed to do in this session, guys. In the next session, we are going to take the next chapter. We are going to practice many more questions in the subsequent chapters. And obviously, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel, and also don't forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel as well, because you get the questions and the schedules of these sessions and also the PDF of these sessions as well on the Telegram channel of Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. I hope this is clear, guys. We'll meet in the next session. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.